Hello my beautiful angel, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to show you 5 most effective yogasana or pranayam for obesity. Let's move on to the video. Our first yoga is KAPALBHATI. For this you have to sit down properly like this in a yoga position, and if you can't sit in a yoga position then you can sit in a normal way also. We have to just exhale the air through the nose. When we exhale air, stomach goes in automatically. You only have to exhale air with full force. You should only think of throwing air out from your nose. This is called KAPALBHATI pranayam, and you can do before breakfast with empty stomach or 3 hours after meal. A person who wants to lose weight, want healthy stomach, get rid of constipation, gastric acidity, hepatitis B problem, should perform this pranayam every day for 5 to 10 minutes. Second yoga is stretching yoga for the health of your hands and arm fat. First of all, open up your both hands like this and keep them straight and do these exercises. Now close your thumb and finger and stretch them and rotate your hands in a circular motion in full circle. This exercise is very effective who are suffering from cervical, and it makes your joints very strong. After this, open your hands and palm facing upwards. Now slowly fold the arms from elbow. Press your thumbs and finger on your shoulder and again stretch it and repeat this. This yoga is very beneficial who are suffering from elbow pain. Now this yoga is to reduce the arm fat. For this you have to open your hands like this and keep them straight and do these exercises and rotate your hands in a circular motion. For this yoga, take a deep breath. Move your elbow in a circle in the shape of 0. Then breathe out. In the same fashion, repeat from the opposite direction. This may provide relief from the pain of cervical spondylosis, frozen shoulders, pain in the back of the neck, vertigo problem and heart diseases. Asthma patients should do it with full faith. Next exercise. Raise your hands like this. Hold your right hand with the left hand and vice versa. While breathing in, stretch your left hand with the right hand from the back. And please, high BP patients, heart patients should practice slowly. While exhaling, bring your hands to the center. While inhaling, stretch them to the side. Third pranayam is ARDHA. For this, lie down and lift your legs into a 90-degree. Both the legs up together, knees fully straight. It's an easy and effortless exercise. Slowly lower your legs and relax. You can practice this for at least 10 to 15 times, and please don't bend your knees when you are doing this. Fourth pranayam is PADVRITASAN. For this, lie down and lift your legs into a 90-degree and make a big circle clockwise and anti-clockwise. Rotate both the legs and make a big circle, knees straight and toes sharp. Please, who have back pain, don't do this, otherwise it will increase your pain. You can do this exercise for at least 5 to 15 times. Fifth pranayam is an easy variation of TRIKONASANA. For this, stand erect with your feet together. Make sure your hands are resting on either side of the body facing the thighs. At the same time, lift your right hand upward. Hold the position for about 10 to 20 counts. Continue breathing normally. Now breathe out slowly and lift your body up to come back to the initial position. Repeat the step on your right side. For the best result, please do all these exercises in 5-5 or 10-10 sets of repetition and increase gradually. And friends, if you like my video, then please give a thumbs up, and if you have any question, then comment below on my comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video with all your friends and family. Now meet you in my next episode of yoga session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.